stand. Please remain standing. Clerk of Court is directed to subscribe the witness. Put the witness under oath, rather.
Ms. Camposano, please raise your right hand. You, Ninita Camposano, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Kindly speak to the mic, ma'am, so that the stenographer can get your answer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may be seated, ma'am. Representative Chua, your witness, you may proceed when you're ready with your offer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we are offering the testimony of Ms. Ninita Camposano to prove the following, Your Honor. Number one, na si Ms. Ninita Camposano ay isang retiradong empleyado ng Land Bank Department Branch from May 2022 to September 2022. Ay 24, Your Honor. Pangalawa, na si Ms. Ninita Camposano ay dating Department Manager ng Land Bank of the Philippines DepEd Branch. Ikatlo, Land Bank of the Philippines DepEd Branch ang nagproseso ng encashment ng 3 tseke na nagkakahalaga ng 37.5 million pesos bawat isa. Ang lahat ay pinasok sa account ng Department of Education with the following checks details, Your Honor. Number one, Land Bank check number 0000000453 dated February 20, 2023 at payable sa isang Mr. Edward D. Fajarda for 37.5 million. Pangalawa, Land Bank check number 00000964 dated April 19, 2023 payable again sa isang Mr. Edward D. Fajarda for 37.5 million. Ikatlo, Land Bank check number 0000002250 dated July 11, 2023 payable sa isang Mr. Edward D. Fajarda for 37.5 million pesos. Ikaapat, na ang mga nasabing check, Your Honor, ay personal na in-encash ni Mr. Edward Fajarda bilang Special Disbursing Officer ng Department of Education noong February 22, 2023, April 26, 2023, at July 13, 2023. Kalima, bilang Department Manager ng Land Bank DepEd Branch, si Ms. Camposano ay personal na nakasaksi at nag-oversee ng pag-encash at pagtanggap ng pera mula sa tseke ni Mr. Fajarda. Kaanim, iba pang mga bagay-bagay na may kinalaman at mahalaga dito sa impeachment case na may kaugnayan sa Article 1 on confidential funds at may relasyon sa mga nabanggit na dahilan. For comment, Your Honor.